Water is a natural agent of weathering, besides the wind and the sunlight. When the water continuously flow from certain heights, it causes damage to the particular rocks. At the same time, whatever the chemicals that are present in the rocks also causes of a particular melting, and then certain chemicals are etc will dissolve in the water just like lime, and that causes the withering of the rocks. And just beside this particular surge pool of Srisalem Dam, we can see that type of condition. I'm going to zoom in the location. Observe it, please. The caves like structures are the things that formed because of this particular water